Hey guys, at the end of this module, I'm going to show you some of the things that you should do before you can start creating the funnels. These are the things that you should set up or you should already set up before creating your funnels. So one of the first things that you want to do is to set up your payment gateway, because if you are creating the sales funnels, you must set up a payment gateway. If you're capturing the payments, then payment gateway is a must. Okay, so here we have different payment options available for you. You can set up PayPal, you can set up Stripe, Authorize.net, and 10 different payment gateways. If you are accepting cash on delivery, then you can also set up the cash on delivery. That is very handy for you. So it's very easy. You just first of all you have to turn on the payment gateway that you are going to use. Once it is turned on, then you go to the settings and you put your PayPal email address or whatever settings are available. Different payment gateways have different settings, so you can consult their documentation or help, but it is very easy and convenient. Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your funnels and you go to the integrations and you set up your autoresponder. This is almost every funnel needs an autoresponder. For example, if you are using MailChimp, then you must put your API key here to enable your autoresponder. So this is prerequisite for before setting up your funnels. Although you can create the funnels without these settings, but those funnels will not be functional until you either set up your payment gateway or set up your autoresponder. Okay. Now, one more thing that you might want to do is upload all your images and videos under your media gallery. So here basically what you can do is you can upload your images, your videos, your downloadable products here under the media gallery. Of course, if you're creating the pages for your funnels, then you're definitely gonna need this this media gallery, and you're definitely gonna need to upload your images. So do that in the very start of your project so that you don't have to go back and forth. So these are the fundamental things. Before starting your project, you must do these things in order to create a sales funnel. Thank you.